The optical character recognition is the easy part. The real risk is trusting a model about allergens. This is for engineers building travel, food, or accessibility apps. Azure AI Vision Read handles over 100 languages and messy multi-column layouts. That solves extraction. It does not solve safety. We cover 3 things. First, extracting text with the Read API. Second, structuring it with Azure OpenAI. Third, filtering by diet. That third step hides a gotcha that can poison someone. Stay for it. Here's the wiring. The user uploads a menu photo to blob storage. Azure AI Vision runs optical character recognition on that image. Raw text and layout coordinates flow to Azure OpenAI. The model returns structured menu items as JSON. Your Python app applies the dietary filter and translation. Keep Vision and OpenAI as separate steps. Do not ask one vision model to do everything. Separation gives you cheaper retries and auditable text. Use the read model through the image analysis client. It's asynchronous for documents. You submit, then poll an operation until it succeeds. Read returns lines, words, and bounding polygons. Those coordinates matter. Menus are multi-column, so reading order gets scrambled. Use the bounding boxes to reconstruct columns yourself. Read also gives per-word confidence scores. Drop or flag anything under about 80%. One tip, not a rule. Send the highest resolution image you can. Small text on photos kills accuracy. Feed the clean text to Azure OpenAI with a strict schema. Force JSON output. Ask for name, description, translation, and detected ingredients. Never ask for a plain paragraph. Structured output makes the next step deterministic. Here's the call in Python. Here's the gotcha. Never let the model assert this dish is gluten-free. It will confidently invent that. A hidden soy sauce contains wheat. The model misses it and someone reacts. Instead, extract ingredients only. Then match against a known allergen table in code. Have the model flag uncertainty, not certainty. Return contains and may contain separately. Always show the original untranslated dish name too. A cautious unknown beats a confident wrong answer. For allergens, false confidence is the failure mode. A few settings carry the whole system. Set temperature to 0 for consistent parsing. Pin the model version, so upgrades don't silently shift output. Detect source language from red, then translate explicitly. Chunk long menus. One giant prompt drops items in the middle. Send sections and merge. Cache results by image hash. Menus rarely change, and this cuts cost and latency hard. Production surprises. Read charges per image. OpenAI per token. Batch and cache, or the bill climbs fast. Latency stacks. OCR polling plus generation runs several seconds. Show a progress state. Prices on menus confuse the model. Tell it to leave numbers untouched. Handwritten specials rec OCR. Flag low confidence for human review. And log the raw text. When a user disputes an allergen call, you need the audit trail. Recap. Vision Read extracts text and layout coordinates. Azure OpenAI structures it into clean JSON. Your code, not the model, owns allergen decisions. Zero temperature, pinned versions, and caching keep it stable. Treat dietary output as advisory, never medical. Prices and limits shift, so check the current Azure docs. Clone the repo in the description and ship your version. If this helped, do me a favor. Hit the like button, subscribe, and tap the bell so you don't miss the next one. See you in the next video.